My name is Mohammed Shakib and this is Master Tech. So today we have a bootlegger ROM on a Redmi Note 3. So this is the interface on this ROM. The build number of this ROM is 15th of January, and you will see the interface over here is kind of look like this. So this is the recent menu. This is the interface. You will get this panel over here. You can see this is the blue accent color over here. The fingerprint is slightly slow, and otherwise the ROM is working perfectly fine. Bootlegger based on a Pi ROM. This is a 4.0 stable, and yeah, it's a 15th of January build. In terms of network and call quality, this ROM is good. Battery life, this ROM is doing a really good job to keeping up with the app and stay alive for a more hour. And yeah, this ROM battery life, in terms of battery life, is good. Camera in this ROM is pretty much stock camera. You can always go for the Gcam, and you can install the Gcam instead of using this. So here is the display. You will get a lot of customization in this ROM. You will get the customization of the color changing or theme changing. You'll get it over here. You can select this and change the color. You can change the font also. Here we get the ambient display, and let me just go back, and tap to wake up is also the option is there. So yeah, over here we'll get the ambient display gestures. When you pick up the phone, you will see the notification and hand wave, pocket. Moving on to the other things, which is the main part of this video. You have all of these settings over here: status bar, quick setting, HW buttons, and nav bar, lock screen, power menu, gesture, animation, recent, and miscellaneous, and all of the things you can do a customization. You can explore this customization. Slight bit of delay in the opening of app for a first time. Second time it will open like normal. So yeah, the ROM is performing good. I would recommend you to install this ROM. So that's pretty much it. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit like, comment, share, and more videos like this. Thanks. Peace. Bye.